I do have a joke for you. Why didn't wheelchair cross the road? Because he's not able to. Let's check somewhere else. I do have another one. Why didn't a wheelchair cross the road? Because he's not able to. Yeah, just me once again. Yeah, just me. I guess I gotta use the bike lane. So the bike lane ends in here with that lump of snow. I can't cross the street at all, and I can't return to the sidewalk either. Actually, let me show it to you. Yep, that pile of snow is the only way for me to get on the sidewalk. To say that my options are limited is to say nothing. So my girlfriend, she called city services to ask why there are so many crossings not cleared of snow. They said they're working on it. So I don't know. Maybe those millions a year are not enough. Hard to say. But for now, for the second day in a row, I am physically unable to go to the shop for food. What a f***ing joke. Sometimes I cannot even go where I need to go because the sidewalk isn't plowed. Plowed? Cleared of snow. I hate the word plowing. Plow. That GH at the end, I don't even know how to pronounce it. In the defense of this spot, I have to say that it may not be a city's fault, because according to Polish regulations, when it comes to a snow, this sidewalk is yours. It belongs to you. You need to clean it. But if you want to have a beer in the exact same spot, you're gonna get a penalty because it's not yours anymore. What a f***ery, I swear to God. I swear, you can't even imagine how I miss the fresh produce. Oh my God. What I need you to understand is that I love cooking and I love going shopping, to get that fresh lettuce, fresh meat, pick exactly the piece that I want to, grab the exact tomato that I need. And for the past 3 weeks, I was just ordering online or sending my girlfriend to do the shopping. Not that she can't, right? Not the delivery guy can't pick the meat for me, right? They probably can, but it's not me. I can't do shopping even if I wanted to. This is so damn annoying, I swear. I remember that a couple of weeks ago I promised one of my viewers, one of my best viewers, positive video, because I'm complaining a lot. I'm whining a lot, especially these days. When it's winter, I literally have nothing to do, outside. And even if there is something to do outside, I can't do it because of the snow or the struggles that I'm having. But anyways, I promised to do a positive one. Because all the medias right now, for years already actually, it's all about the negativity, In one of those episodes, I said that no one's gonna watch positive video. Because no one wants to watch a video of me staring at the curb, for example, and me saying, look how nicely they flushed the curb with the asphalt level. And I really wanted to do a positive video. The thing is, I can't. I can't even leave my house. I literally need to go out and check on a daily basis if I can go to the shop. Either this way or that way, it doesn't matter. Because of the situation, like from the beginning of this episode, it's happening a lot. There's no live view on the street so I can check if it's available for me to go there. And as long as the road services are doing a decent job, I would say, sometimes it takes them days to realize that crossings are existing and they need to do something about it. And you may ask, where's your girlfriend? Why is she not doing it for you? The truth is, she does, and she does it perfectly. But it's not her channel. It's not her to stand in front of a camera and complain about, why did I have to pick the disabled guy? She takes care about me perfectly, about us, actually, about our family. But these are things beyond my control, I would love to go for a dog and a kid walk every day. There's nothing better to do for me. I'm just claiming benefits and I'm being unemployed for like infinity time. But I can't control the weather. I can't control road services to clear the snow out of the crossings. Winter is a horrible time for disabled people. And I did my research. I've checked the weather history in Poland for the past years. And it wasn't that bad. I mean, it's not bad. There's snow. It's freezing. It's winter, basically. But I remember myself last winter, we had snow for like 2 weeks. And the rest was just ugly, So ugly is manageable for me, right? My car was working in the last winter, but it wasn't as cold as this year. And I don't want you to get me wrong. I'm having a wonderful life right now, right? I'm having a peaceful life right now. This is brilliant. But there are things that's stopping me from making it better, and I can't control them. So for the past weeks or even months, I'm literally trapped inside. I'm skipping physio, I'm skipping shopping, I'm skipping walks, I'm skipping restaurants, cinema. I'm skipping everything actually. It's not even skipping if I think about it, because I'm just calculating and getting into a conclusion that it's not worth it. Going out for the physio means 45 minutes one way, 45 minutes back, an hour there, and then like 30 minutes of cleaning my apartment after that. From the, snow, salt, and sand, whatever. It's not that I suddenly became housebound. It's a process, At the beginning of winter, it was like, yeah, I'll clean after myself when I return from walk. Yeah, having wet hands on a walk, an hour walk, isn't that bad. And then I'm slowly going down to a level that I am in right now, which is, no, I'm not going to do that. It's not worth it. I'm trying to, combine 5 errands into one trip. And out of nowhere, it's, did I leave the house this week? Because at the end of a season, at the end of a winter, it comes to an end soon, right? It's like almost middle of February. These are not trips anymore. These are not shoppings anymore. These are expeditions. If I think about it, accessibility isn't just ramps. It isn't just those handrails or lifts being installed. It's the weather, and there's nothing I can do about it. Because recently, most fun that I'm having while going out is that I live in a block, right? Many blocks actually. I mean, I live in one, but underneath those blocks, we have an underground garage. And at the end of that garage, at the end of those blocks, we do have a shop. Just a convenience store. I mean, it's not a proper shop, right? So in the morning time, when I wake up, I'm having my coffee. I'm taking Julian in that carrier I was showing it to you before. And we're using that underground garage to go to the shop, which is brilliant. I don't have to clean after myself when I return home after that. And we can watch some fancy cars being parked in there. Not many of those though. It's still Poland, not Dubai. But one day, when I'll become a famous influencer, a millionaire influencer, I'll be happy to park my Volkswagen multivan in there. It's not going to be a Bentley or Maybach or whatever. I'm not going to scratch such an expensive upholstery with my chair. So with that positive attitude, I keep waiting for the springtime to come. It's obviously sooner than later, so I can wait a bit. And hopefully when the temperature rises, I'll be able to start my car again. Haha. 2.0 liter diesel beast. Thanks once again for listening to my bragging, whining, complaining. As at the beginning of the day, I was positive. I was positive. I was about to go shopping, cook something. But then you've seen the beginning of a video. You can't really stay positive if the day starts like that. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to visit my GoFundMe so I can buy myself that Bentley for disabled people, which is a van with dark upholstery so you don't see those stains made by the wheels and grease or shoes. If someone parks to my left, I need to crawl from the right, Anyways, see you next week.